Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see the world through the eyes of an eagle? We humans pride ourselves on having pretty good vision, but when you compare our eyes to an eagle's, it's like we're looking through a fuzzy old TV screen. Eagles have vision that is up to 8 times sharper than ours. That's not a typo. 8 times. It's what makes them one of the most formidable predators in the sky. So, how exactly do they do it? What's the secret behind this incredible superpower? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of eagle vision and uncover the biological marvels that give them this extraordinary sight. First, let's talk about the retina. Your retina is the part of your eye that detects light. It's packed with photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Cones are responsible for color vision and seeing fine details in bright light, while rods help us see in dim light. Now, here's where eagles blow us out of the water. Their retinas are jam-packed with cones. A human eye has about 200,000 cones per square millimeter in a special area called the fovea, which is our center for sharp vision. An eagle, they have over 1 million cones per square millimeter. That's 5 times the density. This incredible density is like upgrading your phone screen from standard definition to ultra-high 8K resolution. It allows them to see details from incredible distances with breathtaking clarity. But wait, it gets even better. We have one fovea in each eye. Eagles have 2. They have a central fovea, much like ours, which gives them sharp forward vision. But they also have a second, temporal fovea on the side of the retina. This one is for their peripheral vision. So while they are looking straight ahead, they can also scan a vast area to their sides with perfect sharpness. Imagine being able to read the fine print on a sign directly in front of you, while simultaneously reading another sign way off to your right without even turning your head. That's the kind of visual multitasking eagles are capable of every single day. This dual fovea system is what allows an eagle to spot a tiny rabbit scurrying in the grass from over 2 miles away. They can lock onto their target with their forward-facing fovea while using their side fovea to monitor the surrounding environment for other predators or potential prey. It's a true 360-degree high-definition view of the world. And it's not just about sharpness. Eagles also perceive color differently. Thanks to their high density of cones, they see a much wider and more vibrant spectrum of colors than we do. For example, the urine trails left by small mammals reflect UV light, essentially creating glowing neon signs that lead the eagle straight to its next meal. So, for an eagle, the world isn't just sharper, it's also painted in colors we can't even imagine. Let's also consider the size and shape of their eyes. An eagle's eyes are huge in proportion to their head. In fact, for a bald eagle, the eyes take up about 50% of the skull. If our eyes were proportionally that large, they would be the size of oranges. These large eyes can gather a massive amount of light. The lens inside an eagle's eye is also highly adaptable. It can change shape much more rapidly and dramatically than a human lens. This allows them to shift focus from a distant object to a nearby one almost instantly, a skill that is absolutely critical when diving towards prey at speeds of over 100 miles per hour. They can keep their target in perfect focus throughout the entire dive, making precise adjustments until the moment of impact. Another incredible feature is something called the nictitating membrane. This is a third eyelid that's transparent. Humans have a tiny, useless remnant of this in the corner of our eye. For eagles, it's a fully functional piece of equipment. It sweeps across the eye from side to side, like a windshield wiper, to clean and moisten the cornea. Because it's transparent, the eagle can keep its eyes open and maintain vision even while blinking. This is vital for protecting their eyes from dust and debris, especially during a high-speed dive or while battling prey on the ground. It's like having built-in safety goggles that also clean themselves. Your eyes, with their millions of cones, are soaking in a world of incredible detail and vibrant color, including a UV spectrum invisible to humans. You spot a flicker of movement miles away. It's a fish just below the surface of a lake. Using your central fovea, you lock onto it, your brain processing the image with a clarity we can only dream of. As you begin your dive, your brain calculates the perfect trajectory. Your lenses adjust instantly, keeping the fish in sharp focus as you plummet from the sky. Your nictitating membrane swipes across, clearing any dust from your eyes without you ever losing sight of your target. Your temporal foveas are on high alert, scanning for any potential threats from the side. Everything happens in a split second. It's a perfect, seamless display of predatory excellence, all made possible by the most advanced visual system in the animal kingdom. It's truly humbling to think about. While we invent telescopes and binoculars to extend our own sight, eagles are born with this technology built right in it. Their vision isn't just a tool, it's an integral part of their identity as apex predators. It shapes their behavior, their hunting strategies, and their very existence. The world an eagle sees is a world of detail, color, and information that is completely beyond our human experience. The next time you see an eagle soaring in the sky, remember that it's not just flying. It's observing the world with a superpower that puts any comic book hero to shame. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on our planet. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the amazing world of eagle vision. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content about the wonders of the natural world. See you in the next video.